Sate posha taka teke ripo sata tata kapo koko koko po. Sete ripo shete teke paka saka teke poko koko koko po. Rise teke teke poko koko shaka kaka
fire everywhere. This whole place is on fire, fire of the Holy Ghost. I see you sitting there, my friend. I see you standing there, my brother. Do you see what's happening here? I see fire, fire everywhere. This whole place is on fire, fire of the Holy Ghost. Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire. Catch the fire, fire of the Holy Ghost. Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost. Consuming fire in our midst. Consuming fire in our midst. Rain on us, rain on us. Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost, yeah. Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost, yeah. Catch the fire, catch the fire. It's the fire of the Holy Ghost. The Spirit of the Lord is moving deep. Can you feel the atmosphere has changed? It is the fire of the Holy Ghost. The Spirit